Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am starting the video with Bitcoin, which is a highlight of today. Currently Bitcoin is trading almost 36,000 after making a low of 29,904. Bitcoin have lost more than 16% at current market rate, and it has lost almost 25% if we account for the low. Bitcoin is falling like no tomorrow. That is why I have decided to cover Bitcoin first, then we will move to US indices and gold silver. This is 36,000, and what is the resistance support today and what will happen if if Bitcoin break the new lows? Let's find out. Bitcoin resistance stands at $41,500. Bitcoin support at $31,700. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. I recommend do not buy in Bitcoin till market is not breaking 41,500. In fact, if you have subscribed my membership of YouTube, then in my morning community post I have already suggested that Bitcoin is in weak zone. That time Bitcoin was trading 41,500. I hope you have enjoyed that. If not, you should press the join button so you can get the levels in morning 11 a.m. on my community post. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to US indices. First we will go for Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 33,670. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market today. Dow Jones resistance stands at 33,980. Dow Jones support at 33,450. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Dow Jones break 33,980 and manage to sustain above that level, then only Dow Jones will enter in positive zone. Otherwise we are in for more lower levels and we might even see 33,000 very soon. So stay cautious. I will not recommend any buy in Dow Jones and even Bitcoin. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Nasdaq had made low of 12,960. If you have watched my morning community post, then you must be knowing the support which I have updated at 12,950. Nasdaq beautifully bounced from the support and currently it is trading 13,032. We have a new support for today. For now, I mean, Nasdaq support at, let me write down the resistance because Nasdaq have entered in weak zone. Nasdaq resistance at 13,220. Nasdaq support at 12,910. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone, so I would not recommend to go for buy. But if Nasdaq break 13,220 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then Nasdaq will enter in positive zone. After that it could test around 13,500. Let's move on and let's have a look at S&P 500. Then we will go for gold and silver. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 4068 after making a low of 4066. It is trading almost at the lowest point of the day. So quickly let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P resistance now at 4116. S&P support at 4048. Currently S&P is also in weak zone, so I would not recommend any buy. But if S&P break 4116, then it will enter in positive zone. After that it could test around 4150 and even 4200. Let's move on and let's have a look at gold prices which are firing after making lows. This is gold chart. Currently it is trading 1886. Fun fact, I have given a paid signal to my subscriber. We have sold around 1865 and booked profit at 1854. Today it made low of 1852 and bounced back after that. So we have booked profit around $1,100 in this trade. After booking our profit, it had fired, and currently gold prices are trading in positive zone. So what is the resistance? What is the support? Let's find out. Gold support is a bit on lower side, 1860. Gold resistance would be 1905. Currently gold is in positive zone, so I would not recommend go for sell. If gold break 1860, then only it will enter in weak zone now. Till then it is in positive zone. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Currently it is trading at $28.07. Another fun fact, that was also a sell and we have booked profit around $1,200 in this trade. Currently silver is trading 2803. Let's have a look at resistance support. Silver support now at a bit lower on lower side, $2730. Silver resistance would be $2841. Currently silver is in positive zone, but I am not very comfortable towards silver because it is not sustaining well on higher level. So I would advise you a very extreme cautions while dealing with gold and silver. Let's move on to euro, then we will conclude this video. And if you haven't liked this video till yet, please do it right away. Your like really motivate me to make more videos. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Let's move on to euro. This is euro chart. Currently it is trading 22.23 after making a high around 39. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Interestingly, this has not entered in positive zone yet, so resistance at 22.42. Euro support however is 21.70. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. I would really appreciate that. If you have any query, do not hesitate to leave your comment in comment section. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.